One of the IBM Bluemix applications that's really interesting from a social marketing point of view is personality insights. What it's really doing is deriving information from the activities that you have and the things that you're posting on. I can get to it by going to Watson, Personality Insights, and clicking on it. That will take me to the development application of the system. However, there is actually one that is out for public use. And you see it at the top. It's a personality-insights-live demo.mybluemix.net. Okay, and so what it does, it takes you to a live demonstration of the system. This will be actually posted on Coursera for you to use. What you can do is you can actually pick an individual and click Analyze, and it will actually analyze, in this case, Oprah. You can also put in a body of text and click Analyze. The one I find is most fun is to analyze your Twitter personality. So what you do is you click on Analyze My Twitter Personality. It will go in and it will pull my Twitter analysis, or I can input it. And so what it's doing is it's now analyzing me to figure out who I am. And so it takes a couple minutes. What it does is it goes through and it tells you a summary of who you are. I'm shrewd and so forth. It also tells you what you're more likely to be into, what you're less likely to do, which is pretty spot on for me. It also goes through and ranks my personality, my consumer needs, my values, and the things that I find just from reading up on me and looking at my Twitter activity. Then I can click on the personality traits of the visualization, and it will now go through and it will rank me in terms of curiosity and other sorts of characteristics that I am. And so I can go through and use that to analyze myself and to my own personality. And so it's a lot of fun to do, and it's a fascinating, insight into you. And so go have some fun with it and see what it comes up with, and see if it matches up with who you really are. It's an interesting way of seeing the power of Twitter and the power of big data to go through and have it analyze you.